Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you are in third year, then this is one of the very important opportunity for all the student. So RIL, that is the Graduate Engineer Trainee GET Summer Internship Program 2026. So Reliance Industry Limited is hiring for all the third year students and eligibility third year students who is graduating in 2027. Okay, so if you want this kind of job update, then must subscribe this because you will get a lots of opportunity in this channel. Talking about the recruitment process, so this will be a recruitment process. 31st December से registration start हुआ था and till 9 Jan you can apply. Okay, sorry, till 16 you can apply and screening will be there till 9 Jan, and then there will be regional assessment. Okay, so shortlisted student from the screening round will be undergo assessment, that is cognitive assessment plus subject matter at regional center on single day anytime in Jan or Feb. So you will be having in center test, and if you are qualified the regional assessment, then you will be having the interview. So further shortlisted candidate will go through personal interview round, and the interview will be conducted between Feb March. Okay, so this is the important things, and upon that final selection will be there, and then you will be going on ground 8-week internship. Okay, so selected student will interact across sites business with Reliance Industry for 8 weeks from May to July at location across India. So you will having 2-month internship. So this is a wonderful opportunity for every students. And talking about the other eligibility, so you must be from 2027 batch, and eligible discipline are chemical, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, metallurgical, and fire engineering. Okay, no computer science students are eligible. So for computer science students also I will make a update, no need to worry about that. Will come with some other more job opportunity. Talking about the full time, so you must be pursuing full time BE BTech from AICTE approved college, and minimum CGPA is 6 CGPA और 60%, and 10-12 डिप्लोमा में सभी में आपका 60% होना चाहिए. If you have not, then you are not eligible for this. No active backlog and no cases of detention should be there. Important deadline is 16 Jan 2026. So apply now, just 2 days more left. अगर extend होगा then I will provide update to this. Okay. So for getting such important job update, you can subscribe this. You can see in on my YouTube channel lots of important job opportunity I'm providing. And best of luck to all the students for further opportunities. Thank you. मिलते हैं next video में.